Para tactile. Para tactile din, Hides.
Ate, do not touch anything.
Huwag mong ipamahal. Ano na naman? Ayan. Look! Look! It's starting to bubble. Look at that. It's alive. Ala. Not yet. Pag...
Oh. If it no more coming back.
Labot. Stand up.
Promise, you're coming back.
Binabaan mo ko sa utong-utong. Oh, carry it first. Carry. Did I say punch?
This is the first step. So ito, yung yeast and sugar na magkasama, ilalagay natin dyan. Okay? So, mag-a-alarm tayo ng 3 minutes.
Para tactile. Para tactile din, Hides.
Ate, do not touch anything.
Huwag mong ipamahal. Ano na naman? Kailangan kung tulong si Ate Ward. Get back here. Oh, next, put your... hindi. I-name muna natin lahat ng ingredients natin, okay? This is what is this? No, kissing. What is this?
Yeah.
Flour. This is...
Ayan.
Ito.
Butter.
Butter. This one is...
Oil.
This one is...
Eggs.
Oh, ito.
Pwesot yan.
Ayos. Oh, ano to? Ikaw nag-question yan. Ano yan?
Sugar.
Sugar. Ito.
Salt.
Okay, good. Good job. This is breadcrumbs. Okay. Now we will add the flour.
Hintayin natin muna ng mga 2
Magbubble.
minutes. Magbubble.
Pag nagbubble yun, alam na natin buhay yung yeast. Okay? Tingnan mo nga. Abangan mo. Bantayan mo kung magbabubble siya.
Yan na.
Yung yeast. Wait lang. Oh, 2 minutes. Bantayan mo. Pag nabala.
2 minutes before siya magbubble. Oo, mga 3-4. Kaya
Asan niyo ha?
Don't touch the floor. Stand up, please. Stand up. Ayan. Look! Look! It's starting to bubble. Look at that. It's alive.
Ayan.
Ala.
not yet. Pag nag-alarm.
Okay, wait. Can you check? Can you check the time? What does it say?
What number is this?
2. Diba doon, no?
Alam mo na. Okay.
Measure ano tayo?
Ah.
Cups.
Ito.
Tsaka kailangan mo ng ibang
Color-coded.
anong time measure natin. Sound. Bili tayo ng timer na may sound.
Sige.
Yung
Okay.
Sama ako?
nag-adaptation tayo. Okay.
Sama ako?
Huwag na lang.
Saan ka pupunta?
Niisip ko.
That's the alarm.
Ayan, there's the alarm. Okay, what next?
Okay.
Oh, put the flour.
Let's put
This one first.
not yet.
Kaya! No! Oil.
Count 1 to 10.
Ayan, wow! Di na yan dito.
Sige. Count. After 10, we add the eggs. See, you know naman when I will stop mo. Mahirap.
Opo, Sadi.
Pwedeng gawin kamay na natin.
Lock.
Allah, malinis ba yung kamay mo?
Malinis na. Nag-wash ka na kanina. Okay na.
I-add natin yung sugar. And then, gentle lang. Kailangan gentle lang yung paghawak. O, ikaw naman. May problem pa siya sa
Tatay.
Oo. Sige. Why? Why did you do that?
Ano?
Oo, siya. Sige, sige.
Ayaw.
Ayaw na? Sige. Very good. Yan. Parang clay. No? Parang ka lang naghahawak ng clay. Sige. Diba?
Ano naman?
Oo. Ganito.
Ano ko eh.
Hindi, tsaka lang.
Hindi pwede. Game.
Kailangan talaga natin hawak. Huwag mo kakainin na. Hindi pa,
Ito.
hindi pa masarap.
Oo.
Ako na lang kaya gumawa.
Ano?
Okay.
Not proper.
Not nice. Ano ka muna? Use your hands. Massage the bread. Yan, very good. Okay, ganito. Look at me. You gather it in a mountain. In a mountain like that. And then press. And then you gather. And then you press. Like massaging mommy's back. Okay? This is how you're gonna do it later for mama. Okay? Wait lang. We will add the butter later. But I want you to do this first. Go. Your turn. Oh, go.
Fold mo lang.
Fold and then massage. Fold, and
Fold,
then
look.
press. Fold
Fold.
and then press.
Press.
Press down.
Okay.
Yan. Very good.
Yan.
Okay, go. Fold. Fold it together. Look, hindi ka nakatingin eh. You have to look. Make sure it's all gathered.
Dali,
Fold.
nararamdaman
Oo.
ko na yung...
Okay, good. Look. Make sure it's together. Fold it again. Okay, then press. Press. Look. You have to look at what you're doing. Alright, fold. Press. Go. Diyos ko, kung makahingal naman tayo, para naman pinahihirapan.
Ano? Tapos ko eh.
Hindi pa, mamaya pa. Fold ka pa. Okay. Sige pa. Okay, go. Fold and press. Not yet. Go.
Di na.
Mamaya, kailangan mo muna itong magawa.
Alright.
One, that's one.
Okay. Two.
Thanks.
Okay, friends. Of course we're friends. Go. Fold.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy ka ba?
naman.
Okay, sige, go. Oh, not yet. Come on, go.
Thank you.
No, you don't. Not
Ah,
yet.
ah.
No, you No, you can do follow.
Very good. O, sinafold mo na.
Oh. Oh. Hindi na lang. 9. Next.
Dali, dalawa na lang.
Di na. Kumana dito ka. Dito.
Oh, one more fold. Okay. Okay. See?
Is that hard?
Is that hard? Of course not. No, I don't like that. Don't do that one, ha? Wait. Kailangan mo mag-fold. I-add ko yung butter, ha? And then you have to fold and massage again. Ayan na, gusto mong lagyan ng butter, di ba? Ayan, lagyan natin ng butter. Ayaw mo. Go! Fold. Ayan na! Go, fold. Ayan na nga, oh. Yan na, tapos na tayo. Isa, konti-konti. Konti-konti para madali. Massage. Let's go! Alright. Some more butter. And then you fold it in again. And then massage it again.
Nakakala ko yun eh.
Okay, go. Fold.
Nanay na rin si Q.
Ayan na.
Ganun talaga. Kaya mo yan.
Go.
Kaya mo yan.
Ayaw. Dito.
Mamaya tayo magagawa siyang guys.
Go.
Marami pa rin.
Dami pa ng butter. Pang-inix yan. Okay. Sabo, fold and press.
Ano pa yan?
O, ikaw maglagay ng butter. Gusto mo? Hindi ako na lang.
Tapos ko eh.
Sige, going. We will wash after we finish. Come on.
Bayan naman ito.
Sabi. Yan.
Sige kasi. Oh.
If it no more coming back.
Gusto ko sa niyo ah.
Up.
Let's go.
Up. Up. Ha? O, dyan ka na lang? Everybody, get in the car. Let's go. Okay, I'm counting to 3. 1.
You're coming back, you're coming back, you're coming back.
Let's go. Hold my hand. Let's go.
You're coming back here.
20, let's go.
You're coming back na, sige na.
Stand up.
Promise, you're coming back.
Stand up.
Saya.
Oh.
Eh.
Oh, let's go up muna.
Ano naman ni?
Up ka muna.
Buhat mo naman ni.
Ha? Hindi ka ako pray. Let's go up.
You call her properly. What's her name?
Fire lady.
Okay. Stand up.
Shafwaya lady. Okay, wash your hands.
Stand up.
Mo.
Stand up.
Quentin!
Okay. Now go wash your hands.
A few moments later.
Come back. We're going to finish the work. Oh, pray. Come here. You're gonna finish the work. Let's go. What do you say? Stand up. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Let's finish. Okay, let's finish the work.
Wow, good job. It's so nice.
And smell it. It smells so nice na.
Enough na.
Enough.
Give mo na ulit yung Shafwaya.
Dinadaan mo ko sa uto-uto.
You do the job. Quentin.
See? Look.
You do the
Massage
job.
siya.
You do the job.
Naka na yung bato. Pasok na natin para one time na.
You do the job.
Wait lang ha.
You can do it. Could you please kindly do it properly?
No, what?
Come on, Quentin.
Na.
Right?
Or else mom will do it.
Okay. Are you ready?
Oh, don't touch that. That's not yours, Quentin. Put it down.
Okay. We are going to
Roy?
roll it and massage it. Let's go. Okay. Quentin, maganda na siyang hilutin.
Oh, come on, Q. Do your
It's
job.
your turn na.
Come on, Q.
There.
Ay,
Ay.
ang squid.
Oh.
It's good. Come on, Quentin.
Come
Do your
on.
job.
Okay, look ha. That's what I want you to do. I want you to slap and fold. Okay? You hold it, you slap it, and then you fold it. Then massage. Then you carry it again, and then you slap it. One. Then you
Vice niya sa masahe na sinasa.
roll, and then press. Okay? Woo! Try. Ito no.
Ano natin?
No, wait. You listen first. Quentin, you listen. Oh, sige, go. Oh, carry it first. Carry. Did I say punch? Okay, good. Fold. Okay, then press. Very good. Okay, one more time.
Bad one.
Good job. One more time. Slap.
Wings.
Okay, go. Slap. Carry it and slap it down. Good job. Roll it out. Fold and press. Wow! Good job. One more time. Okay, slap.
Massage.
Massage. Fold.
Roll.
Good job. Okay, one more time.
Lap.
Go.
Massage.
Okay.
Pante.
Let's go. Some more. Ano masa ng tinapay? Utang na loob. Ito na tayo.
Yun!
Yun.
Ano ba yun? Pare!
Okay, go. Hanggang smooth. Slap.
Smooth it.
Smooth it out.
And
Massage.
punch it.
Don't punch it. Be gentle. Come on. Okay, go. One more.
Wala mo na sa rescue.
Slap. Slap it down. Hook. Alright. Roll it out. And then fold. And then push. Massage. Very good. Ayan. Nahuhuli lang yung ganun. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Yan. Good job. O, nagmamasal memory na. Up. No. Don't. Hindi pa tayo mag-break. Isa more pa. Fold and press. Hindi pa. Kulang pa. Slap it down. Fold. Okay. So, let's do 10 more slaps. Alright. 1.
Bakit bayang? Smoke, play.
2. Fold, slap, fold, and press. Okay, yan. Oh, next.
Man.
Not yet.
Man.
Excuse me. Next. Fold and press. Very good.
Duwan.
Some more.
Kayo.
4. Fold and press.
Muna.
20. Focus. 5. Okay, slap. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yun. 7. Very good. Okay, one more slap.
8. Oh, hindi. Fold and press. Okay. Fold and press. Alright. 8. One more.
9
Slam on 9. Fold and press.
and 10.
Okay, fold and press.
Apaba, mataba, siwaya.
Put it there. Okay, now, we're going to let it rise. Okay, so you see how big it is now? It can become that big. Okay?
Let the bread
So
go.
now, you can rest. You are going to rest. The dough is going to rest for a bit. Okay? So go wash your hands. Cover lang natin. Cover muna natin. Rest.
Every day is a blessing. The truth is living.